There is one very secret organization in India called Abhinava Bharat. It's all the members of the organizations have been arrested. They are in a jail in a town called Nasik, N-A-S-I-K, in Maharashtra. All Brahmins and very well looked after by the state. For your information, a major part of the Bombay terrorist attack was done by them. Malegaon is before that. They staged the Bombay terrorist attack to kill a IPS police officer, Karkare. And they were responsible for a series of attacks, including one in Punjab. Samjhota Express going to Pakistan, I think. But they were very well looked after by the state, and it's headed by Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, who is serving Lieutenant Colonel in the army, young man. He visited Israel twice. The Jewish state has given them all the money and the weapons. The government of India knows it. They were used only against the Muslims. I don't think it was used against the Sikhs. But this is kept a secret, and the media is not publishing anything about it because they are all their own blood brothers. Thank you.